this view option. The option is accessed from the View, New View menu item, and by checking the Save Layers option. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this in the context of this engine where we would like to recall a casing and a sheet view of our model. Let's first of all display just the layer of the case, so I'll turn these other layers off, and I will position it into a top view. Now I'll go to the View, New View, we'll give it a name, we'll call it Top Case, and we'll check Save Layers. Click OK. Go back to the view and we can see that that is one of our saved views. Now let's go to Layers and let's isolate this branch with the drawing in it. And let's turn off our title block and let's turn off our dimensions. And we will save this view. We'll go to the View, New View. We'll call this Sheet View. And we'll do Save Layers. Now let's go ahead and recall our views. We'll go to View, User View, and let's recall the top case. And now let's go recall our sheet view.